welcome once again to another reaction vlog. Today we're going to react to part 35 Ome TV of our dear Tenggo Wicaksono.
Yeah, so released day half ago.
Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama Tenggo dan Pak Suka Boneka di konten Ome TV. Nih kayaknya background baru nih, Teng. Iya dong, background baru, semangat baru. Ya tapi kok masih kosong, Teng? Sabar dong, Bang. Agung gak usah banyak ngomong deh. Jangan jamke Agung yang jadi kajangannya. Shh. Sebelum mulai nonton, jangan lupa untuk apa, Ren? Jangan lupa untuk subscribe dulu dong. Dan jangan lupa untuk nyalain lonceng notifikasi biar tahu kalau ada video baru dari kita. Betul. Ya udah kalau gitu langsung aja masuk ke videonya. You scared me before.
It's because I'm too fast, like.
Okay. So please don't skip me right now, okay?
Okay, where are you from, by the way?
How do you think?
Filipino?
No.
Malaysia?
No?
Indonesia?
Yeah.
Okay.
And how about you?
Filipino.
Can I guess?
Malaysia.
I give you one chance.
Okay. Indonesia.
Yeah.
Okay. So, jadi ngapain Kak di Malaysia?
You prefer talk with bahasa or English?
Apapun lah. Tapi aku ya nggak jago-jago banget Inggris. Tapi ya learning aja. Learning by doing.
Okay.
It's okay.
What's on your face?
What?
Can you take a mirror? Your face, yeah. Is that the beautiful?
Oh, really?
Nice one.
Okay, so yeah, what is your name?
My name's Octavia.
Oh, Octavia.
But, I'm missing something in my name is your surname.
Okay, so your name is Octavia Wicaksono. If you take my surname, so you're gonna be mine.
Okay. Wicaksono, your name?
Yeah.
Okay.
Octavia Wicaksono. Woo!
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I think my phone no because like right now I felt something.
Yeah, me too. I fell in love with you.
I didn't take it.
It's first time Tenggo is the one who's doing pickup one.
I'm not good at pickup lines, but my friends do.
Oh really?
Yeah.
And what's your name? By the way.
Tenggo Wicaksono.
Oh, quite hard to call your name. Can I call you my baby?
Of course. Okay, I will call my friends, okay? I will call my friends.
Okay.
Siapa yang gonggalin lu, Teng? Ini, hello, girl. Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
That's your voice, Tenggo.
No, it's my own voice.
Yes, that's your voice.
No. No.
Oh, good. Bravo.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Not here.
Okay. I want to sing a song for you.
Really?
Yeah. So, do you have a request?
Any song for me, special one.
I will give the special one, of course. For the beautiful girl from my heart.
Take your time.
Your first thing. I'm not a perfect person. There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue learning. I never mean to do those things to you. And so I have to say before I go, then I just want you to know I found the reason for me.
Look, every time you sing, how they surprise.
To change you I used to be a reason to start over new. And the reason is you. Thank you.
Oh, okay, so good. You have trio, yeah?
Yeah,
Wow, it's amazing.
yeah.
Then what's your names?
Oh, my name is Jojo.
Jojo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jojo, I think you're more cute than the sorry, what's
Really?
yeah, I need to be honest, right? It's more,
Yeah, that's okay. It's my little brother.
but the face is not similar, like
Oh, really?
Do you have more pickup line?
Yeah, I have more.
this.
Have you heard about Queen Dungis Award 2021?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know too. But the one thing you have to know, you always win in my heart.
Oh, you make me melting.
Randy. Jacky.
I have one for you.
Come on.
Did you agree that Disneyland is the happiest place on the earth?
Yeah. Why?
I'm not agree because the happiest place for me is beside you.
Yeah. And how's with your boyfriend? Am I better than your boyfriend?
For pickup line, you're a winner from him because he don't.
Oh, yeah. My God. You are so hot.
Me.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I think your air conditioner is.
Really, Tego?
No, it's turned on.
Okay. The last pickle line for you.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you know what is the difference between you and Wolverine?
Of course, Wolverine is a guy. I mean, a girl.
No, you're wrong. Wolverine is a werewolf, but you were mine.
You are so sweet. I want to give you one more thing.
Okay, what?
You like to wear necklace?
Because yeah, I like it.
Can I be your necklace because it's more closer to the.
Oh my God. Yeah, you can.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's good too.
Yeah, I think Tango, this is not your channel. It's his channel.
And my puppet channel. So, wait, this is for the last. Pantun.
Pantun.
Yeah. When aku ngomong the first line, you just say cakep.
Oh, itu kayak Facebookers ya?
Yeah.
Okay. I get it.
My body has a fever.
Cakep.
You are my last and forever.
So hot.
Kak, thank you banyak ya. Thank you so much.
Ngomong sama kamu cuma bentar. Jadi ngomongnya sama grup kamu Westlife.
Westlife. Enggak, ini bukan Westlife. Ini One Direction.
Oke, satu pick up line lagi buat
Okay,
kamu.
come on.
Kamu pakai Google?
Ya. Kenapa?
You know what? When found you, my search is over. I will not use Google anymore. Thank you, good luck. Wish you
Thank you.
with the best for your career, for your
Amin.
passion. If somebody judging you, it's okay. It's never mind because they are not change you. I mean, mereka nggak bisa ngerubah apapun, kamu yang bisa ngerubah itu. Like just ignore. Ya.
Thank you Kak Kosta.
Nanti kalau ke Malaysia boleh lah. Nanti aku ini bawa tour guys.
Siap.
It's not that far.
Thank you Kak. Dadah.
Bye.
Bye.
Tuh kek, Teng, lihat. Yang kayak gini tuh tiku-tiku gue nih. Masa sih, Ren? Lagi pula nggak ngau cewek cantik ini sama kue kelakon. Kakeknya.
Привет.
안녕하세요.
Annyeong. Hey, do you speak English?
Little bit.
Oh, is that sharks?
Yes.
Oh, you can dance baby shark do 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 baby shark do do do
Baby shark.
mommy shark do like that ya?
Mommy shark.
Mommy shark. Mommy shark do 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 baby shark do 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 do. Hey!
Who doesn't know that song?
Tengok.
That's Alive. Okay, wait. They requested us Last for Life. I was like, where is it?
It's Lost Alive.
Last Alive. He is the one. Okay, now we know.
Alright.
But who is Last Alive? Okay.
Waduh. Mantap Last Alive
Mantap, gokil ada, udah gokil udah.
Udah dari jam berapa nih kawan-kawan Last Alive nih main?
Dari jam 7 malam bang. Apa dari jam berapa?
Aku baru main.
Hah?
Baru bangun tidur.
Baru bangun tidur?
Biasanya sih dari jam 9 jam 10, tapi ini karena ketiduran. Paling nanti hajar sampai jam 8 pagi.
What?
Waduh, buset.
Iya.
Holy
Gokil.
shit.
Mana si Rendin? Ajak berantem aku.
Lu jangan nanya oke lu. Udah nih gue puterin nih. Mana nih gua?
Mana nih tukang kamera aku nih?
Mana lagi lu bener-bener dong.
Kayak, coba.
Zong it out, brother.
Anjay.
Weh. Lu jangan kade duduk-duduk doang lu. Nyanyiin gua nih kade.
Oke, bentar ya.
Oke, disiapkan dulu lah.
Ih, kok nervous ya? Oke. I remember the day it was on the day that I fell for you.
Wow.
Now it's crossed all the way, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. But you won't see me break. Call you up in 3 days, or saying you okay, saying it's a mistake. Drinks my troubles away. One glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect.
Oh, now we understand why you keep telling us we have to react. What's the name?
Lost Alive.
Last Alive. Okay.
Yeah, I'm impressed. That's also what you see, what a collaboration can do, between two artists, and now they're helping each other.
Guys, please leave the link down below. Which episode of Last Alive you would like us to see?
Yeah.
The most you think we love it the most to see that episode. So let us know. Like at least even the title. Let us know.
So we can find it.
You pick episode for us. Let's go on.
And you're the first to say you want the best thing, but now I know it perfect when you let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing, but now I know it perfect when you let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Here's your perfect.
Here it comes to
Wah, keren juga. Waduh, keren.
Gokil. Lah, kelihatan abang Randy.
Gue nih sekarang nih.
Iya, pas.
She's my sunshine in the rain, my tiger when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Like a tall glass of lemonade, when it's burning hot on summer day. She's exactly what I need. She's soothing my heart, the ocean rising over the sand. She takes care of me, baby. She helps me be a better man. She's so beautiful. Sometimes I start to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need.
That's really impressive. I just remember the voices on it, like for Randy, for Jojo.
Gokil.
Itu tadi siapa itu yang bunyi-bunyi gerinjing-gerinjing tuh?
Ini drummernya.
Oh,
Biasa bunyi-bunyi gerinjing dikit gitu.
ya kelihatan banget lah tuh suara-suara orang susah tuh. Agang jangan kayak gitu dong bang, Agang kan hidupnya lagi susah. Garangan lu kalau punya mulut.
Abang mau lanjut lagi?
Oke, aku lanjut lagi deh. Ini belum dapat, baru mulai banget soalnya. Tapi alhamdulillah ketemu last live nih. Pemanasannya di sini.
Mau tengok deh, semangat tadi.
Oke, Jody dan kawan-kawan last live. Semoga sukses terus.
Semoga sukses terus, Bang.
Amin. Sehat-sehat semua ya.
Nih.
Dah, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, Bang.
I'm curious because you mentioned guys that YouTuber or these people that doing Omi TV, they have a group.
Mm-hmm.
They know each other. It's like they want to gather like a meetup. One of the fan was mentioning about that because there are plenty of them actually doing this Omi TV.
Yeah, but I think they just know each other from Ome TV, and that's it. And sometimes they meet and they make fun with it. So I think they, if you're skipping, sometimes you come across each other. You just say, "Hey, dada," and then you move on. But now they were actually performing towards each other. It's cool.
Baru kali ini loteng gue dihibur. Terima kasih Last Alive ya. Nah sekarang gue punya hiburan juga nih buat kalian. Tenggo oncu pergi ke kasar. Kata gue topeng monyet.
Oh, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
fine, and you?
Yeah, me too. Thanks.
It's okay, that's good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Costa Rica.
Oh, Costa Rica. Oh, really?
Yeah,
Cool.
you're Korean here, right?
No. Actually, I'm from Indonesia.
For real?
Yeah, why?
Maybe
What
she's
part of
also-
Indonesia?
Maybe she's
Jakarta.
also.
You know Jakarta?
Jakarta, the capital?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's so good.
Why you so shocked like that?
I don't know. It's just, I don't know. Forget it.
Or
Sorry.
do you have a friend or something?
No, but this year I'm going to live in there for 2 years, so I'm so excited.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but right now I'm in Costa Rica and I don't know when I'm going to. But yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, maybe we can follow by Instagram if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to send you my Instagram.
And I hope we can meet.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Wait.
You're
I
just
will follow
going to
you.
study or
You're
internship.
famous or something?
No, I'm not. And what's your name? I'm sorry.
Oh, my name is Brenda.
Oh, Brenda. Hey, so
Yeah.
Brenda, what time is it right now in Costa Rica?
It's 6:47 p.m.
PM?
What's the
PM.
same?
So it's still Sunday.
Yes.
Okay. In Indonesia, it's like 7 a.m.
Ah, it's one.
On Monday.
It's Sunday.
Yeah, in the.
You're in the future?
To the future.
No, I'm from the future.
Yeah.
You know, Brenda, I want to sing
Yeah.
a song for you.
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sing for me.
Okay. Hey, do you like Bruno Mars?
Everyone knows that.
Okay, I
because
will
they
sing
did
it for
that,
you.
Definitely.
Yeah,
I
American.
don't know why I run away.
Wow.
Oh,
Yeah, I like it.
You, oh my! You can sing too.
Yeah.
Can you please sing for me first, and then I will sing for you. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch to bring me off the dark.
Should be so bad.
Really, you have a good voice. Oh my God, you make me goosebumps.
Oh, I love you.
Really.
You can
Wow, it's so
s-
super
Yeah, she
fun.
can really
his
sing.
in her voice too as well.
Okay.
But right now I have to call my friends too because I can't sing alone. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Bruno Mars. You know this song? If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we may do when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there.
Oh,
And that old friend that needed, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
You sing so good. And wow. Wow.
Yeah, I told you I will sing with my friends.
I love it. I love it. It's just so cool.
Thank you.
Wow.
You have a good
Wow.
voice too. I heard it from behind.
A thing.
Oh my God. My name is Randy.
Randy.
And my name is Jojo.
Jojo and Randy.
Brenda, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Why?
Well, because I'm so ugly.
Let's just,
Yeah.
Wait. What did you say?
oh
You
yeah.
are the prettiest girl that I met. Really?
Yeah, you're so cute.
Thank you. I think you're handsome too.
Thank you.
He's so handsome.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I am better than him.
No.
Oh really? You just broke my heart.
Oh, sorry. You too. You're handsome. You're good.
Thank you.
So cute. So cool.
Wait, Brenda. Do you see my glasses?
No.
Because if I wear it, I can see your beauty clearly.
Oh.
That is so sweet.
It's so funny. I'm red right now.
Yeah, I can see your cheeks blushing.
Oh God.
Brenda, for the last, can you help me? So, when Randy say the first line, you just say cakep.
Cakep.
You said what?
Cakep. Wait, I will write it. Cakep in Indonesia, it's mean good.
Jet plane's gasoline called after.
Jacob. Sumpah deh. No.
Good. Okay, just say cakep a bit more.
Okay.
Jet cleanse gasoline cold after.
Jackal.
I just want you to be my future. Thank you so much, Brenda.
Jackal.
It's enough. Okay?
Jackal. It's not enough. Jackal.
And by the way, cakep, it's like a
She's so cute.
Mhm.
It's just the thing is that you still have to say Jacob. It's fun.
beautiful too. Oh, you are so beautiful, and you like, oh, cakep, you are so cakep.
Jackal.
Yeah, you're so cakep.
You're so Jackal.
Oh my god.
Okay. I really like your smile. You're so handsome. It's for real. Smile for me.
Mm.
You're so beautiful.
Oh,
Thanks.
she's going to Indonesia, huh?
So yeah, I hope we can meet in Jakarta.
It's a joke.
Oh,
I hope you can go to Jakarta.
it's a joke.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. I have to go.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great night, Brenda.
Jackal.
Tenang, Teng. Gue bakal kenalin kata cakep ke seluruh dunia. Tapi kayaknya kalau Agam yang ngomong orang nggak percaya deh, Gang. Kenapa ya, Gang, kawan? Soalnya Agam kayak coket. Aduh, sagar punya adek kayak gitu. Jo, gue pengen tanya dah. Kenapa lu dengan banget ngata-ngatain gue? Yang gisan, Agamnya yang pantes. Jojo nggak boleh gitu. Lu Jo, harga diri gue Jo di sini Jo. Iya, mulai besok aku janji untuk memperbaiki. Nah gitu. Dia lagi bagus ngatainnya. Shh, udah Teng, si Jojo masukin pesantren aja Teng.
Nggak boleh gitu. Gimana sama video kali ini? Pada suka nggak?
Kalau kalian suka, jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, dan share. Dan juga follow akun Instagram @3jaksana.
Biar kita semua semangat terus bikin konten.
Terima kasih. Dah.
Yeah. Alright. Cool episode again.
Yes. I
Actually,
love
she
that.
was pranking him. She's not going to Jakarta after all.
So Octavia and Brenda.
Mm.
Huh. You are so cool.
Yeah.
Lucky Randy and Jojo.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh yeah. Guys, don't forget to leave that link for the other channel so we can have a look at them for sure.
Yeah, which one we must look or watch.
Yeah.
Anyway, we love this episode again.
Mm-hmm.
Looking forward to hear Omo TV of Tengu Jackson as well. We love you guys. I thank you for your support to our premiere and our videos. Thank you. And I wish they can go farther. I keep saying they must go to AGT.
Mm-hmm.
That's a big crowd and everyone must see this awesome talent. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and
subscribe for more. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.